Have you ever wondered if there's a way to prevent mental disorders? It seems like a daunting task, but it's a question worth exploring. In the fascinating world of psychology, psychopathology is a term that essentially refers to the study of mental disorders. This includes everything from anxiety and depression to more severe conditions like schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. These disorders can significantly impact an individual's quality of life, making psychopathology a critical field of study. Prevention of psychopathology, therefore, is about identifying and implementing strategies to stop these mental disorders before they develop. It's about recognizing the signs early and taking steps to mitigate their impact. So, how does one go about preventing psychopathology? Well, it starts with understanding the risk factors. These could be genetic predispositions, environmental influences, or traumatic experiences. The more we understand about these triggers, the better we are equipped to prevent their damaging effects. Early intervention is another crucial aspect of psychopathology prevention. This means identifying potential mental health issues at the earliest stage possible and implementing therapeutic interventions. This could range from cognitive behavioral therapy to medication or even lifestyle changes. Early intervention is often the key to minimizing the impact of mental disorders. Promotion of mental health also plays a significant role in psychopathology prevention. This involves cultivating a healthy and supportive environment for individuals, encouraging open conversations about mental health, and reducing the stigma associated with mental disorders. By promoting mental health, we can create a society that is better equipped to prevent psychopathology. In summary, the prevention of psychopathology is a complex process that involves understanding risk factors, implementing early intervention strategies, and promoting mental health. It's a multifaceted approach that requires a deep understanding of mental disorders and the factors that contribute to them. By recognizing the signs early and taking action, we can mitigate the impact of mental disorders and improve the quality of life for countless individuals. It's a challenging task, but one that holds the potential to transform lives and society as a whole. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to mental health. It is prioritized. So, if you feel this video is useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Psychology and Physical Training channel. Thank you for watching.